Wajumbe babiri bagwacokera kuigiria ng'ani yo chingaki babiri bakuboria serikali gwetera ase wizara y'obulinzi boime ochegwacokera n'enchiremo yokorera alionsi aganitwana kigwa ime yense ya Kenya.
Nigo abakenya bangianemo n'abasae babiri bagosira ase chinchira chitamanyakaneti nabande gotoka basirete amagima babande gwekabona tibaramanyakane ase bareriswari gotigara n'ingokore bikorebi. Zitkolera ime Ebunge County Nairobi ababunge bakoragwa n'omubungo Kitunguri Gatoni wa Michomba nigo besokere na kumuche serikali asogotarigirire ng'aneye igoro y'Ogoochererwa Kwabasae se kyombe kya mongi kyabwataranirwa ase ng'aneye.
To assess the resurgency of state-sponsored criminal gangs, including Mungiki, that are terrorizing citizens and deserters. These gangs have been creating an atmosphere of fear, lawlessness among ordinary Kenyans and critics of the government.
Nigo bakwanira bena mangana yabwente kurigerera wikiranu ne serikali chinemero bego no botumekiwe bitoki by'abakenya.
To address issues surrounding state capture, including the awarding of government contracts and affiliates within the government and rampant land grabbing, alongside issues misuse of public resources. These include examining extensive land grabbing currently underway in Ngurunga Farm in Kiambu constituency, Gikumari in Ruiru constituency, Dabibi in Naivasha constituency, Nakuru Memorial Hospital, and many other acts of misuse of public trust, which threatens the integrity of our institutions and welfare of the Kenyan people.
Korengana nerichiko nigo kurewa kworora gochiase bunge nene Senate National Assembly bego na County Assembly meyense kubeke karo kiabene gokwanira Ogoochererwa Kwabasae na gusaba barindi wese nego cyasaba Kenya.
Parliamentary actions. We urge both the National Assembly and the Senate, and also all county assemblies across the nation to convene a special session during recess to discuss and conduct inquiries into these abductions and other pressing matters affecting the society. Public safety and accountability. We emphasize the necessity for a comprehensive review of public safety measures and accountability mechanisms within law enforcement agencies to ensure protection for all Kenyans.
Chinga kiecho ni government agoteba butukina burakonye gwikira bagokora ebikorebi na gusaba igetambukiro kiabwango kwimukigwa.
We, the undersigned legislators, believe that these investigations are essential to uphold the rule of law, protect human rights, restore public trust in our institutions, and safeguard Kenyans' democratic values. We stand in unwavering support of the information of this Independence Commission of Inquiry and demand swift, decisive actions to restore justice and security of our nation.
Diana Sawe, KCTV.